Guys, quiet on the set. Hi, it's Orly C, and this is my James Charles casting call. Action! Hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Hi, James, if you're watching, and James's team, and anyone that's new here. Hi, it is your girl, Orly C, and in case you can't tell, the palette, the one-of-a-kind sweaters. This was actually gifted to me. I won James' giveaway. Roll the clip.
Guys, guess what? I got a special delivery. Got my Morphe collab with James.
So, what's going on? My name is Orly C, like I said. I am 36 years young. I am a mom to an 8-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 2-year-old. Love James Charles for the longest time. You just keep reinventing the wheel and creating things, and I just thought it's kind of important to have moms represented in this makeup world too. We're gonna chat while I'm gonna do my makeup, and of course, a look using the James Charles gorgeous palette. So I put moisturizer. This is a great thing to do before you put makeup. It just kind of calms everything down going on up in the face. The next step, you gotta have your little headband to protect your face from getting hair everywhere. So the first thing I am about to apply, it's my Studio Fix Plus. This is the color NC30. I've loved makeup. It just, the way it makes you feel as a mom, I think I would add something to this beauty community that just because I'm over 35, I can still rock a good makeup look. And so what I am doing on top and below, and then I blend it in with this baby. Like I said, I am not a beauty guru by any means, but I started my channel when I had my second baby. I lost myself as a mom. I was a wife, mom, and blessed on both parts, but I needed something to call my own, so I started YouTube. I love YouTube. The community I've built with my divas, we're almost 5K strong, guys. So if you're new, click the subscribe button. I'm going to take my Morphe E48 brush. I've always wanted to say that. Thank you, James, for choosing me as your giveaway winner. So now I can say that. I choose 2 blushes. I combine both to get that perfect color. It's Papa Don't Peach. Oh, it smells so amazing. And I have Tarte. It's the 12-hour Amazonian clay. If you want to know the color, this is in Tipsy. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get it on the apples of my cheeks. I like to smile big. Do a little circle. Yes, Mommy, you do not look like you're so tired now. Look at that. Oh, I got some bone structure today. You're going to take just a little. I used to put it down here. No, you want it up here, baby. So when people get that hit of light, you shimmer. There we go. I'm going to take 2 colors for the base. I'm going to build on top of it. So I'm going to do Canvas and Punch Me. Love the names, James, by the way. So Canvas and Punch Me, it's going to be this really beautiful, nice base. How is everyone doing out there? How you doing tonight? Hi. Is this thing on? So what I like to do, I'm just going to pat it on. I feel when you pat it on, personally, it stays better. That's kind of how I learned makeup too, is through YouTube. No beans. I'm going to put no beans in the crease. Line it first like this, and then I'm going to blend in a circular motion, like a wax on, wax off. It just kind of builds itself in its own way. So I'm using Ring Light, that one right there, and we're going to highlight. YouTube, like I said, for 3.5 years. I love it. I love the opportunities I get. I've worked with some really big like mommy companies, and I would love to expand to like makeup. And I pat it on. Oh, you guys, you don't even know. It's like the slightest change, but it really makes a difference. And the trick is, you don't take the eyeliner all the way in. I know that sounds crazy, but a lot of times I get black in the inner eye. I kind of know my eyes, so I mean, look at that. What a difference. Kind of a simpler kind of look today. I'm going to blend this all out so it kind of doesn't look like it's 3 colors Orly, but benefits Hoola. This is phenomenal. And I was invited to a Sephora event. A girl told me you want to do a 3. So I take my Morphe M405 and I just lightly blend it in so I don't look so cray-cray. I mean, funny thing, I ran out of lash glue, so I can't do the other side. So this is the NARS lipstick. This is one of my favorites. It's the perfect red, personally, for me. That is my casting call for you, James, and I hope you enjoyed this video and your team enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe. We're almost at 5K divas. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.